Hello, welcome back to another section of programming tutorials on Flutter basics. In this video, we're going to break down three of the most essential functions in Flutter: main, runApp, and MaterialApp. These are the core building blocks that power any Flutter app. The main function. What is main function? The main function is the entry point of any Flutter app. Every Dash program starts with this function, and from here, Flutter knows where to begin executing your app. Simply put, think of main as a door to your Flutter app. When you open that door, the rest of your app begins to load. In Flutter, it looks like this. Inside main, we call the runApp function, which brings us to the next topic, the runApp function. The runApp function is responsible for taking the widget you give it and making it the root of your app. It's like telling Flutter, this is where my app starts. Render this widget on the screen. For instance, imagine you are setting up a stage for a play. runApp is like pulling back the curtain to reveal the stage. Without runApp, there is no stage, nothing appears. Example: in our main function, we are passing my app to runApp. Whatever widget you pass to runApp, that's what Flutter renders as the starting point for your app's user interface. We have the MaterialApp widget. Now you might wonder what my app is. Typically, the root widget of any Flutter app is a Material widget, which provides a basic structure and navigation for your app using Google's Material design. Think of MaterialApp like a blueprint for your app's look and feel. It sets the stage for all the widgets that come after, including the app's theme, navigation, and UI elements. Here's what a typical Material app looks like. Material app includes properties like title and home. The title is the name of the app, and the home is the first screen users see. In summary, the main function is the starting point. The runApp function displays your app on the screen, and the MaterialApp widget sets up the structure and design for your app. Now that you understand these three concepts, you have the foundation to start building Flutter apps. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Flutter tips. For more information, head over to flutter.dev.